Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I wanted to show you basically 3 little hauls that I made into one. And the first one is from a company on Etsy called Bugle Beads, and I ordered from them before and had a video on them a little bit, maybe a couple weeks ago. And I'm going to read you what I paid and show you what I bought real quick, and then we'll move on to the other two. Now this was the first item. It's a red clover. It's a little 3-leafed clover or flower. I paid $1.50 for that. This is a bag of just gold, and it's just all different shapes. Fans, although the fans look silver, which kind of is confusing, but still, it's really pretty. And this was 10 grams and basically a quarter cup, they said. It was $3 for this. Then these are some stunning bugle beads. They are metallic red, so basically they're a glass bead with a silver metallic lining. I don't know if you can see the metallic in the video. It looks like it's looking more of just a red glass, but they're just beautiful. They have a metallic center, which really changes the color of the clear red not seed bead, but bugle bead. Really pretty. This I got 120 beads for $4, which is a really good deal. These are little horse charms. They were $1.80 for 6. Now all these are vintage items that they bought over 20 years, or around 20 years ago, and they never sold them. I guess they were doing this 20 years ago, buying and reselling, and when they quit, this was all packed away. So they decided to get it out and sell it. So it's all 20 or more years old. Then the next one are one of my favorite things from this order. These vintage looking, but well, they are vintage, but they also look older than they are. These cute little bows, if I can get it open. These are really cute. I got 2 sets of 6. You can see they're a connector. So you can loop a bead, like a little drop bead would be fun, and then a charm above it, or a round bead above and a drop bead below, or just really whatever you wanted to do. But they're just adorable, and I got 12 of those. These are two bags at $1.80 each. Then I got these little Santa faces. And now these are just little Santa faces. They're embellishments. I got 6 of these little guys for $1.50. Then I got these big red flowers. This was in the bag of mixed stuff I got in my last order, and I like these big red flowers so much that I had to buy a whole bag of them. So I bought 2. I bought $1. Oh, the Santas were $1.50. These are $2.50 for 30, and I got 2 packs, so I paid $5. Then I have the vintage clover in the green. These will be fun for St. Patrick's Day. Those were $1.50. And then I got the Mardi Gras mix, and you got some big crowns and just all kinds of purples and greens and golds. Just a lot of fun. See the big crowns and some squiggles, and there's 2 of the big crowns in there. A bunch of squiggles and drops and all kinds of really fun purples and kind of a pinkish purple and golds and greens. And this was $3.25 for 10 grams. This one is the multicolored spring, and this is a really good one. This has so much fun stuff in it. You've got all different shades of flowers and birds and leaves. There's a lot of really good stuff. There's some lily pads and palm trees and these really neat little, not quite pinwheels, but I don't know what they are, but birds in different colors and like almost a palm frond or a branch of leaves. This is a cool one. Now this one was $3.25 for 10 grams. Then I got some reindeer, and these are 2-sided. The horses were 1-sided. The reindeer are 2-sided, so no matter which way you look at them, they have a side, and these were $2.20 for 6, and I got 1 order. And then this I got 2 orders just because they were fun. And they're vintage also, and you get an assortment of, I think you get 2 each of the holly, the Santa sleigh, and the snowflakes. So this is the 3 you get. And I ordered two bags at $2.20 a bag. Well, they put it in one bag, but it says 2 on it. This is 2 times 6, so I got 12 of those. Then that came to $37.90 with shipping. Then my second order was these vintage beads. Now, if you remember, I did a bugle bead video not long ago, and there was all these bugle beads, and including a box of different colors, but there were no red anywhere in that order. So I found this, and it's 10 tubes. I don't remember what I paid. It was just a listing on eBay. So I have 10 tubes of the nice red. These are plastic, not the glass, but they're just nice. I don't believe I think they might be silver lined, but I'm not sure. But they're a nice bright red for Christmas, so I was excited about those. Then this is a gal from Makari, I believe. I'm assuming a gal, but it might not be. But I paid $24, and I got everything I'm going to show you now. And the name of the shop is OC Creations Beads. You can see she's got really good reviews on Makari. And I got 4 bags of blue. These 3 are the same, and this one's different. This one has kind of a different AB finish on it, and these 3 are silver lined blue. And then I got these clay beads in a multi-pack. And I got a pack of these purple that I fell in love with. Just gorgeous. And then these 2 bugle beads kind of look the same, but one's more bright gold and one's more of a muted gold. And then the silver twist and a multi-pack. And she gave me a bundle for everything, the 4 blue, the 2 clay, and the 4 bugle beads, all of it for $24 with shipping free. So anyway, that's everything I got. Really happy with all of it. Had been meaning to do this video for about a week, and I just hadn't gotten there. Update, my husband's been rescheduled to November 16th, which is a Monday. And the bathroom's almost finished. So things are moving along. We've at least got progress going, and at least we've got a plan. So anyway, wanted to share this with you. I'll be back soon. I've got more creative videos I want to do, and I bought a bunch of stuff at an estate sale. I thought I did a video, but it was not watchable. It just did not come out right. So I'll be doing multiple videos because it's so much stuff it wouldn't fit in one big video. No jewelry though. This is all glass and collectible type vintage stuff. But more on that when that video comes out. But might have to be after surgery because it's a lot of work. Everything, we cleaned it, packed it up, thinking we were filming it, and we didn't. So, but I'll be back with that video as soon as I can. And in the meantime, I'm going to get this scheduled for you. And if there's anything else fun that comes along, I'll share it with you. And I'll be back really, really soon. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you'll like the channel. It really helps me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And I'll be back soon.